peach melba, we need vanilla ice cream, ripe peaches, and raspberries. So here are the peaches and we have to peel them. So for this I bring water to a boil and I keep right next to it some ice cubes that will become ice water. So because first these peaches have to go into the boiling water and then into the cold water. Water is boiling now, so I'm placing the peach into the hot water and it should be really covered. So I let it sit there for about 15 to 20 seconds. So I take the peach out and I dump it into ice water for some seconds. And set on a plate. Okay, let's peel the peaches. It should work. You just take off the skin. Here we are. Here's the peach. Here's some left. It's not quite 100% ripe, so make really sure the peaches are very ripe. And now we cut it in half. And remove the pit. So I'm sprinkling the peaches with sugar. I use powdered sugar, just a little bit. I mean, the peaches are sweet, so okay, looking good. So I'm placing these peaches now for 30 to 60 minutes into the fridge. So to get a really fine puree without seeds, we would squeeze this all through a sieve. So at the end, you would have just the seeds and the pulp here, and everything would be really fine. And it's like a sauce, a raspberry sauce. It takes a bit of time, but that's how you do it if you don't want to have these seeds. I don't know of any other way to get them out. so here's our nice creamy raspberry puree syrup sauce. That's what we need for the dessert. Okay, so the raspberry sauce needs some sugar. I'm sieving it into this container because that powdered sugar is sticking together, and I want to have really some fine sugar that I'm using in this sauce. Clumps of sugar here. See, if I would not sieve it, I would keep these little lumps of sugar pearls unsieved. Yeah, I don't like that. So, and sometimes it cannot even, it's not even dissolving, and you have this rest. So you see, this doesn't go even through. So I toss this away. Okay, so the recipe is asking for 1 cup of sugar. I'm not so sure if I'm adding that much. I probably will add half of a cup. So I was whisking this syrup really for a while. It has to be very, very smooth, and it is. No clumps, nothing. So now I'm putting it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. It has to be very chilled. Okay, so here I have the ice cream. Here are the peaches, which I place along the ice cream. Peaches, ice cream. And raspberry sauce, topped with some sprinkle. No, it's almonds. Maybe a little bit more.